Ntutuko got arrested, even though Potsotso tried to protect him and said that he was with a stranger when he moved the body. Tinsole revealed that Ntutuko was in the hotel room and Poet paid for the room. So Poet was also fetched by the police. Dintle has made that Kanye lied and they're blaming Tiri for believing a child when Ntloso's mom clarified that Ntloso is alive and kicking. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Potsotso is in for questioning. The detective is wanting to find out what we saw a footage of you moving a body from the level up apartment car and you were with someone and when you dumped the body. Potsotso protected Ntutuko and said that he was alone. He asked some stranger on the way Angamas and paid him to help him. Protestant Ntutuko did not even reveal that Ntutuko was with him when he moved the body. Now the detective he lied and said that he was passing a room in a hotel and saw a door open and then tried to move the body. And how do you get involved in something that does not involve you? Now the detective is thinking that maybe Utukulo Sundane is involved, but Upozo is like, nope, they have nothing to do with this whole thing. It was all me. But why didn't you call the police? Why would you just see a woman lying there and get involved? Call the police or an ambulance. Bosma says maybe she thought that maybe they had drugs because they had a party. What detective you want to time, man? When it seems like you're covering for someone, who is this person that you're covering for? You seem to know who killed this girl, but also does not reveal Untutu. The detective goes to Level Up Apartments to question the staff. Otinswalo and this receptionist guy, they say that Bozoso made a booking under Poet. And Poet had to come and pay later. But Ganjano Bozoso is the driver. How is he making bookings as well? The guy had to fix the booking when it was not done right. Now they want to know, but when you clean the room and did you notice anything, something fishy, something that was odd? It was just messy, but the person that I found in that room is Untutu. Untutu was there. Oh, now Untutuko Gasa, yes. Now the detective calls the police to go and fetch Untutuko. Okay. So now they're going to fetch Untutuko, no Poet. Poet, Kukumatubela, you can see that something is wrong with Poet, man. And she assumes that they've been fighting with his wife, Utoriso, and says that but he lies saying that they're fighting about Mama Haya Talita, about the things that she's been doing. And Agim said how you need to support her, but I can see that something is off. But police come knocking on the door. Kuku Arikpula and what's going on? Poet does not want to open the door. Mamulati Lelia and Ashuma Podisa, they want him for questioning. And then Untutugo, the police are in Tutugo's house now. They're coming to fetch him, to take him to the police station. Umtunz is shocked. What's going on? Why are you guys taking him? All he could say was, tell mom I'm sorry, I messed up big time. And they took him, Shem, arrested him, took him away, took him to the police station to question him. Now the detective tells Ntutu, so you lied to me. The first time I spoke to you, you lied and said you know nothing. Ntutu was like, no, I was scared. Being sabang, sabuk boshwa. So this whole thing was Poet was not in the room that day. Now Ntutu protects Poet and say that he did pay for the room, but he was not in the room. After they left Level Cafe, Poet went home. Why are they protecting each other like this? It's so sweet to see Boy Squad protecting each other, but one way or the other, the truth is going to come out. And then the Gassas went to Libaha Divet. They went to support Udintle to offer their condolences, only to find that this is a whole misunderstanding because Udintle does not know who Kloso passed away. And then, luckily, Kloso's mom phones and says, when Ugasa said, I'm so sorry about Kloso's passing, I think Kloso yaphila la, son is fine. Now they want to know, please tell those people to stop spreading lies about my son. My son is doing very well. Now who did is wondering. So who's spreading the lies about Kloso's passing? Everyone's looking at Kanye. How? Kanye? And then because Ukanya is like, I heard you say that he passed away. Kid is like, no man, now Kiribon is like Maraskaro Katsapangwana Mara. She was crying. Dintlo was like, go to your room. And then now Dintlo I'm solved. I could say when now everyone is busy worried now and because of your lies. Now Kanye is like, no man, I didn't lie. It's because of what I heard you speaking on the phone, and you also lied to. You said you must not say Uncle Hloso is not here. I hate you. Now I wanted to understand that he said that she hates Udintle. And then Toriso, Taps is worried about Toriso. These things that she's doing at the cigarette has everything to do with Talita Mama High. And says, well, what's one of the things that you're doing to help Mama? Will backfire. If you're doing something, just tell me so I can help you. If you don't tell me, I can't help you. She denies everything and says, well, no, man. And maybe the mama needs our help. She's vulnerable. And then Talisa, they tell her, there's a raid coming. You need to make sure you hide your things because there's a raid coming and battle search. Now, Utalita decides to frame Ubeta, put the cigarette in Beta's bag or whatever, pillow. Now the police took Beta away to isolation. Beta threatened Talita Arwena Mangbiala. So just watch yourself. Now Okuza is like, what were you thinking? Beta is a murderer. When she comes back, in a day or two, she'll be back. And when you're a dead woman, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.